Hi kids, welcome back to another fun learning video. Today we will continue learning Roman numerals from 21 to 40 with number words. Are you ready? Let's start together. Roman numerals 21 to 30. 21 in Roman numerals 21 in words T W E N T Y O N E 21. 22 in Roman numerals 22 in words T W E N T Y T W O 22. 23 in Roman numerals 23 in words T W E N T Y T H R E E 23. 24 in Roman numerals 24 in words T W E N T Y F O U R 24. 25 in Roman numerals 25 in words T W E N T Y F I V E 25. Great work! You are learning so fast. 26 in Roman numerals 26 in words T W E N T Y S I X 26. 27 in Roman numerals 27 in words T W E N T Y S E V E N 27. 28 in Roman numerals 28 in words T W E N T Y E I G H T 28. 29 in Roman numerals 29 in words T W E N T Y N I N E 29. 30 in Roman numerals 30 in words T H I R T Y 30. Wow, you are doing amazing. Let's learn the next set. Roman numerals 31 to 40. 31 in Roman numerals 31 in words T H I R T Y O N E 31. 32 in Roman numerals 32 in words T H I R T Y T W O 32. 33 in Roman numerals 33 in words T H I R T Y T H R E E 33. 34 in Roman numerals 34 in words T H I R T Y F O U R 34. 35 in Roman numerals 35 in words T H I R T Y F I V E 35. Excellent! Keep it up. 36 in Roman numerals 36, in words THIRTY 36, 37, in Roman numerals 37, in words THIRTYSEVEN 37, 38, in Roman numerals 38, in words THIRTYEIGHT 38, 39, in Roman numerals 39, in words THIRTYNINE 39, 40, in Roman numerals 40, in words FORTY 40. Yay! You have learned Roman numerals from 21 to 40 along with number words. You did a fantastic job. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fun learning videos. See you next time kids. Bye bye. Take care.